What you saw just there was a demo of an AR FPS game produced by Geek Play. Here to tell us more about that, and I hope also their tabletop AR unit is Spencer.
Hi.
Good afternoon. How are you doing?
Hi. I'm great.
So you've got a couple of award-winning products here at the show.
Yes.
Can you tell us about what they are?
Yeah, sure. So we got AR unit, which won the runner-up of the analyst choice. And AR unit is a very new product for us. We got a lot of whys and whats and hows. Do you want me to introduce you?
Yeah, please.
It may take a little bit of time.
Oh, it's okay. That's fine. We have the time.
Okay. So basically, AR unit is a pair of tech toys that work with two different apps for bringing multiple battle games based on AR. So, put it simply, attach the AR unit on the back of your iOS or Android smartphone and pair the device with the app via Bluetooth. Then you can have play the games included. Right now we have two different apps. One app is for the laser tag game with up to 6 person. So you can have a giant laser tag game with 5 friends. And also another game is a tabletop sized games that's scalable and tabletop sized and based on Apple AR Kit.
Okay. So what kind of controllers and what kind of devices do you need to use this?
Well, actually, so after pairing the device with the app, the AR unit communicates with all the units via Bluetooth. So they can communicate with each other. So when you open the app, you can shoot your friends who is also equipped with this AR unit.
So basically they're mapping onto the shape and signal of these other units.
Yeah, right, so you can hide from each other or shoot with each other. Okay. You can use the chairs, the desk, the trees and rocks to hide yourself. And you can also send AR drones, AR robots to deploy your forces.
So you can, basically the gameplay is affected by a mix of both the virtual and actual
virtual
terrain
and actual life,
Very interesting.
That's a combination.
Excellent.
Yeah.
And can you tell us a bit more about the battle game version that is in the AR unit? What kind of game are we talking about? Is it sort of RTS or something like that? And so what you're looking at there is the demo reel for the multiplayer FPS. As you can see, that's a couple of virtual droids. I think you'll see that it supports both PvE and PvP play. So you got virtual non-player characters and a real one over there. Yeah.
Actually, you are looking at the game. The laser tag game. You see, there's robots, and when you look at the sky, you can see the drones. Actually, were sending by the players. And you are hitting each other because they communicate by AR unit.
I see. Yes. So you can, as well as just shooting directly, you're also calling in AI backup.
Yes.
And it's all deathmatch mode, or are there other game modes inside the?
Yes, it's a deathmatch, and also we have survival mode. So I'm playing against 7 people, 5 other people.
Oh, and you're the one whose survival is in question.
So if the person left alive or the team left alive wins the battle.
Is the one that wins.
Yeah.
All right.
But we have also tabletop size the game. I can show you.
Yeah. Oh, we got a video preps. Yeah, there we go.
Okay. So here's the demo.
Okay.
Yes. You can see after scanning the AR unit, it's a feature item. You can generate a small world on your table.
All right. So what we're looking at here is what you would see if you were running the game.
Yes. It's a short video. Yeah. But in this game, you can deploy the forces just by drag and dropping them into the battle.
Okay. Yeah. And then the AI kind of takes over a little bit.
Yeah. So you can walk around to absorb the battle. Yeah. Until you destroy your counterpart's castle.
I see. Fantastic. So how do you sell this? Does it come as a kind of boxed set that is available? Or?
Yes, it's sold in pairs in a box. We are currently trying to promote them to the Walmart, and we plan to launch it on Amazon too.
I see.
Yeah.
And if somebody would come down here, let's say tomorrow, and talk to you guys about this, what kind of MOQ would they be looking at?
The MOQ will be 500 pieces. And we also have the customized service. But the customized service including the packaging and also actually our app, because we are our own developer. We develop our own games. If you need new games or you have your awesome ideas, we can develop for you.
Excellent. What kind of FOB price does the standard box set go for?
The wholesale price, it will be around $20 for a pack.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very nice. Well, there you go. So that is the AR unit from Geek Play.